In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the HZN-VI rocket here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. We're taking a shortcut right now. I'm just kidding. We're going to fast travel there. But anyways, first things first, what you need to do is open up your map. I recommend just sorting by region right here, toggling the map regions on. Go all the way down to the very bottom of the map past Tokyo City, and you need to go to the Nangan region right here, specifically like the very bottom of the map. You essentially just need to make your way over to this general location. Go to fast travel to any of these locations that you've discovered. If you haven't fast traveled, or if you haven't discovered this, you will not be able to fast travel. So just keep that in mind. You're going to have to drive all the way down here. But essentially what you need to do once you get here is just drive straight, and you're going to run right into the rocket, where of course you're able to take a picture of for the little photo booth opportunities. So let's go ahead and open up photo mode real quick, back up a little bit, and it's kind of a cool shot right here with the car right there. Essentially just go ahead and take your photo and you will be good to go. Boom. And as you can see, we just got ourselves the artiste outfit, just like so. That's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.